Yes, y'all. Welcome back. We are live yet again. Another episode here on the Struggl Nation. That's right, another Shaky Cans Productions. I am your host, the Struggl Chef, aka Chef Struggl. And you read the title, you see the thumbnail. Whole roasted Branzino, aka Mediterranean seabass, for those who don't call it Branzino. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. But this is an easy recipe. Anybody can do this. Real simple. Take about 25 minutes. So check it out. Let's work. Well, all right, y'all. Once again, back, it's the big Struggl. And as always, we got to start off with our ingredients. We got our chopped up herbs. We got our shallots. We got our lemon, roasted garlic, unsalted butter, 2 sticks, some seasonings, some garlic infused olive oil, always. You know what I'm saying? And we good to go. So first of all, let's start off with our butter, our compound butter or our garlic butter. It's not really compound butter, but yeah. We're gonna start off with just a little bit of, just a little slither of butter, just to get the party started, you know, just to kick it off. And just throw our shallots in our pan, hot skillet. And you already know, cook them till it translucent. You know what I'm saying? White like a Mormon Monday. Just cook them till they just white. Yeah. Real easy. Take about like 3 to 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? And then when I throw my shallots in, I got some whole roasted garlic. So basically I just slice some garlic in half, put some olive oil on them, salt, pepper, season them up, put them in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then there you go, roasted garlic. And I'm just gonna, you know, press all that garlic paste inside with my shallots. My heat is off. And I'm just gonna mix it together, just stir it up, make like a little, you know, garlic shallot paste, basically. Yeah, this is very easy, and it's gonna help out all of your just basically it'll enhance all the flavor and everything and anything. Basically, you put this on chicken, pork, steak. You can put on a bacon, egg, and cheese. It's gonna hit. So now I got 2 sticks of unsalted butter, sat at room temperature, so I can, you know, easily bring this butter together. So my chopped up herbs is just some thyme, some chives, some parsley. You could put whatever you want in there. You could put some green onions. You could put in some tarragon, some fresh oregano, rosemary. You know, it doesn't really matter. The only reason why I didn't put rosemary in here is because I cook with rosemary too. So I didn't want to overpower the butter with so much rosemary. Now you can use this butter for garlic bread. You know, anything really. This butter is hitting. But I always do this for my whole roasted fish. Always. So I'm gonna chop up some lemon in there after I threw in my garlic paste with the shallots. You know, my herbs, and just bring it all together. You don't have to salt it or anything. Now, if you want to make garlic bread or something with that, you would throw in a little bit of, you know, some cheese in there. But we're not doing that. You know, very easy. And obviously the shallots and the garlic was, you know, warm. So it melts the butter a lot. So what I gotta do is, I'm gonna put a plastic wrap on my cutting board. And then I'm gonna just pour that right in the middle. Just like that. Now we got enough butter in there to last us for a while. You know, that's gonna last us for, I don't know, probably a week, knowing me. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap up, keep that butter in the center of the plastic wrap, and just, you know, tube it up, basically. Now, I kept this footage this long to show you exactly what I did, even though I'm looking like I don't really know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna get it together. You know, so I just basically tube it up, and then I wrap up the ends and do the same thing and just keep spinning it until it gets tight, basically. Pause. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it in the freezer for about a half an hour so it gets solidified. So now I'm working on, you know, a marinade for our fish. Real easy. Salt, pepper, some of my own seasonings, my own all-purpose seasonings, just basically chicken bouillon, onion, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, and I think that's really it. Full recipe, strugglecafe.com. You already know. Check it out. So going in with some garlic infused olive oil. Just a real simple marinade. I wasn't even really thinking this through. I just started, just adding in what went good on fish, basically. My lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, some Dijon mustard. Thinking through, some chili, this chili oil, just a little bit. I should have threw in a whole teaspoon for a little extra kickback. I added some more seasoning because I knew it needed something. Sometimes I can smell it at this point. I'm like, nah, it needs more seasoning. So there, just a simple marinade. There you go, whisk it up. Let's get our fish ready. So I'm just gonna slice up just a lemon. I'm not really gonna use all of it, just a couple slices so I can put it inside the fish. Got it from Whole Foods. Got them to gut it and clean it up and everything. So real simple. And if you went to the restaurant and got this, I'm telling you, you would have paid almost triple what I paid to make this dish. And this definitely was restaurant quality. So just get your fish together. Just dry it up, score it up on the sides. Hopefully your knife is sharper than my little Struggl butter steak knife. But just give it, 3 nice scores on the side so that your marinade and everything can settle inside while it's cooking. Fish don't have to sit there like, chicken and everything and beef. Like, just throw that marinade on it. As long as your marinade tastes good, your fish is gonna come out good. Now you could throw this on the grill, on the smoker. Me, I'm just putting it in the oven. Just gonna get that marinade inside, all over the place. Make sure you flip it, get everywhere. That's enough marinade for about 1.5 pounds of fish. I got our butter out the freezer. Just make a couple of slices. And everything, we're just gonna stuff our fish. We're gonna put some lemon slices in there. We're gonna put that garlic butter in there. We're gonna set our oven to 400 degrees. Yeah, everything's gonna come together. Real easy, real simple, y'all. I'm telling you. And this is probably, out of all the videos that, I uploaded, this is probably my favorite. And I still got like 3 more videos that I'm working on right now. But this was hidden. There was nothing but bones left after this. So just stuff up your Branzino. That's how it looks. Thought I had a wider angle when I was doing it, so that's just how it is. I stuffed some Walking Dead rosemary up in there because I had some rosemary that was turning, so I just threw that in there too. So, like I said, it's in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and you want to flip it, halfway, and then you want to put your broiler on and then cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes till it get a nice char on it, and then you're good to go. So right now I'm just gonna make a nice little salad to complement it. Just an easy salad. Just sliced up some carrots, slice up some red onion. I got these sweet cherry tomatoes that are amazing. I didn't even really know these was hitting like that. But yeah, I'm just making a nice little salad. Yeah, these sweet cherry tomatoes right here, I had to, take a bite of these. And then I had almost ate half the, joint. Like, hold on, I forgot I was, making dinner. I got my olives. I'm gonna throw that in there. Some feta cheese. I'm just making a nice little tangy salad to go with just a nice compliment with the sea bass. So my feta cheese in there. Throwing some red wine vinegar. A little salt and pepper just to season it up. And then we're just gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna throw in my leaves. we're just gonna sit this aside. Just wait till plate up that fish, which is in the oven right now. It's already smelling amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna, whisk this up. Yeah, I'm throwing my salad in. For anybody that's, saying anything, it says I don't need to wash it. So I don't need to wash it. Just throwing my leaves in. And then, all that mix that I made with the carrots, the cherry tomatoes, the red wine vinegar, the feta cheese. Just gonna throw that inside. And we're just gonna mix that all together. And then my salad is ready. I also made some homemade salad dressing. It was just basically some olive oil, lemon juice, some lemon zest, salt, pepper, and some parsley. Yeah, good to go. Salad's here. So we're just gonna wrap it up and just wait for the fish to be done. So now our fish is done. Nice. If you want it a little more, darker, you can leave it in the broil a little bit more, but that's good for me. I ain't trying to burn it. So I'm gonna throw some olive oil on it, some parsley, to make it look good for the flicks. Man, this whole plate was here. Grab some of this salad. I got some leftover rice and peas. I ain't ashamed. I don't care. Everything get eaten in the Struggl Cafe. We eating everything. So I'm gonna lay that fish on the side of that plate. Oh my God. This thing was hitting. No signs of quitting. You already know. Poured up a little glass of Chardonnay to go with it. You can put some champagne. You can pour some, some rosé, whatever you like with it. But this was perfect. This was a perfect pairing for me. Like I said, I had some homemade salad dressing. Pour that right there on the salad, and we are Gucci. So, like I said, it's Branzino. It's a whole fish. So, watch out for the bones. I'm a professional though. But I just had to take a taste for the camera, and man, I'm telling you, like I said, this was like probably one of my favorite dishes that I'm probably gonna upload on the video so far. But the salad was hitting, everything was right. I already knew the rice and peas was good because they leftovers. You already know. Grab that, grab the glass, grab the plate. We are outie. There you go. Whole roasted Branzino. Very, very easy, simple. Anybody can do it. And as always, if you got to the end of the video, thanks for watching. You already know, like and subscribe. If you modified it, you didn't modify it, you did the same exact marinade and you thought it was perfect, and you're not going to the restaurant paying for that other stuff no more, like and subscribe. You already know where we at. Peace.